Morning everyone, how you doing? Hope you're keeping well. So today I am working on a piece of wall art. Yesterday, or I suppose it'll be a week ago on YouTube, we finished this bench. So today I am working on a little memorial commission piece for a horse that had passed away last year, and it's a gift, so they just want something to remember it by. So I'm going to do basic drawing there. So a piece of larch. Hello Paddy, thank you very much. So we've got a piece of milled larch, which is 80mm thick. Yeah, it's nice and chunky. So I'm going to give it a sort of random outer shape, drop the outer section down, leaving the horse's head, and then we can just a bit of sort of relief carving really, and then just need to put the name in there, doubling. So yeah, so I should be able to get that done today. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'll get you on the stand, get the perimeter cut off, and then drop down the outer section, and I'll see where we're at. And it won't be too long before it'll be ready to go inside. It's raining this afternoon anyway, so get inside, do all the Dremel work, detail work, and then we can get it painted up. And then it's just a matter of getting a nice gloss varnish on there. So excuse me. So yeah, so we'll get you on the stand and we'll crack on. Right. Now then, right, job done. Let's have a look. Nothing super complicated, but I think it looks nice. Hopefully I think this is going to get placed up at the stables, so yeah, should look nice. So there you go, just a little video today. Yeah. Right, well, I'm not doing anything else at the moment because, as you can see, it's absolutely chucking down. Forecast is actually right for once. Dogs are lucky there in the van asleep, so best place. So see what I'm going to do the next couple of days. I think might have to do another bench, to be honest, but yeah, we'll see. But anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.